Hey guys. Hey guys. What's today? Shit. I don't even know what day. Happy Tuesday, I think. Whatever day it is, it doesn't even matter what day it is. A day to be grateful. A day to win. A day to help somebody. That's what day it is. So one of my subscribers on YouTube commented and said that she asked me to do, I guess it was a lady, asked me to do a video on ACS and how ACS is agents for the state, and how agents, well, ACS workers are agents. Well, that's what they are. How they are literally the pipeline for the foster care. You know, here's the thing about this ACS foster care child welfare bullshit. This is only in America. Now, this started, I think, in like the 70s, 80s, when crack was heavy, when the white man, which is the government, put crack in the black community, right? So crack was heavy, right? Kids was watching their parents get high, literally. You know what I'm saying? Kids was being around the crack and coke and abuse and all that. So yeah, in the crack epidemic, when kids were being exposed to drugs and danger and shit, yeah, you know, take the kids until the parent get, you know, together, and then give the child back to their parent. That was the whole point of it. Some parents got, you know, sober and stayed off drugs just to keep their kids. And, you know, some parents just didn't give a fuck. It was like, all right, fuck it. And the kids stayed in foster care and grew up in foster care and went from foster home to foster home. So America has made this removing kids from homes a fucking big business. It's millions of dollars in this business, okay? The city gets money from the state. So in order to fund social workers to have jobs, ACS workers to have jobs, you know, you gotta have kids to be able to remove, right? You and foster care and all that stuff. This is only an American thing. Ain't no other country removing kids, locking you up for beating your kids, locking you up for disciplining your kids. No other country does this. Okay? No other. My dad grew up in Jamaica. He used to get his ass whooped every day because he was bad as hell. His mother whipped his ass. My grandfather whipped his ass. My aunt whipped his ass. Two of the neighbors was whipping his ass every day. And guess what? My father was a great man. Okay? Because he got his motherfucking ass whooped. All right? So, America is horrible. Okay? Horrible. America only focuses on money. Everything's about money at all expense. They don't care if they're tearing up families. You know, they don't care if they're making people sick. They don't care if, you know, whatever. The American government is all about money. So the ACS workers and the schools, see, if you don't have ACS workers and you don't have schools, then there's no system, right? ACS workers, okay, ACS workers, all right, literally are like the agents. But I don't really want to say the ACS workers, guys, are the agents. The school system, the schools are the agents. All right. When I used to be a social worker, I mean, I cannot tell you how many guidance counselors and how many teachers call cases in. Meanwhile, a parent just went and saw the teacher. The next day, they fucking got a case. Parent got to go up to the teacher like, I was just with you yesterday. Why you didn't tell me this? The teacher don't have to tell the parent nothing. They don't. The teachers, I'm telling you, I've been in so many conferences. I went to so many school meetings. I went to so many doctor visits and so much shit as a social worker. The schools don't have to tell the parent nothing. They could just call the case in and keep it fucking moving. So the schools are the agents. The schools are the agents. Okay? The schools are like police. Okay? They are, right? They're the agents to call in. Where do you think most of the cases come from? Most of the cases, guys, come from schools. Right? The schools are calling cases in on parents. But meanwhile, this is the place that you're supposed to send your kid for safety, for education, for nourishment. Meanwhile, they plotting and scheming against your fucking kid. This is in America, guys. See, America don't care about their people. They just don't. And that's why I always tell people, if you don't care about you, don't worry about the government caring about you. Don't worry about your retirement plan, because the government ain't got one for you. The only plan the government got is to destroy. Okay? So ACS, okay, is also the agents. But then, take it a step further, the foster parents are like the correction officers. Because the foster parents now have to house the kids. ACS workers don't house kids. They find foster parents that they pay to house the kids. Just like correction, right? You pay correction officers to detain inmates. You get the cops to arrest them and write up reports and shit and go to court, and then they go to jail with the correction officers. So same thing with the kids. But the system is set up the same way, guys. It's set up the same way. It's set up the same way. Your parents, you get removed from your parents, right? By the school, they call in. ACS is the agent. They come and remove your child from your care, which you've been taking care of your kid for the last 15 years. Now, all of a sudden, they feel like you can't take care of your kid. So they feel that, that you're a danger to your kid because they felt like it. Meanwhile, you've been taking care of your kid and your 5 other kids for the last 15 years. Now they feel you're a danger to your own kid. Now they remove your kid. ACS get paid to remove your kid. Then the foster parent gets paid to house your kid. And you don't get paid nothing but a fucking headache and heartache and depression and stress. Losing jobs. I've seen people lose their jobs just trying to keep up with fucking appointments to keep their damn kids. So the foster parents are the fucking correction officers. Sad, guys. Sad. So what happens? As kids grow up, and if you're in foster care long enough, because my aunt's a foster parent, right? As you stay in foster care long enough, you already think you're in a detention center with a foster home. Because people think that foster parents give a fuck about these kids. They don't. Just like the school don't give a fuck about the kids either. Nobody cares about the fucking kids but their own parent, but they removed from their fucking parent. ACS is a shithole. Okay? It's a shit place. Okay? The school guidance counselors and the teachers are shit faces. Okay? They're a piece of shit. I'm telling you. The system is so fucking fucked up. There's 2 million kids in foster care. There's 2 million people locked up in jail. That's no fucking coincidence. That's how the system is. And the system is the ones winning. They hire correction officers. They hire foster parents. They hire ACS workers. They hire cops. They hire the school system. And the school, guess what? The school has a fucking quota that they have to meet. Oh, he came to school dirty. Let's call a case in. Just to meet their quota. Not the kid's in danger. Not the kid came to school with a whelp on their face because the mother done beat him with a belt. See, that's different. If you got a parent fucking their kid up every day, that's different. Right? Yeah, remove the kid. Yes, the kid shouldn't be in danger like that. Right? The kid shouldn't be getting their ass whooped every day. But you came to school dirty? Mom probably got 5 other kids who she trying to get dressed, and she told that one to go get their ass dressed, and they went in the dirty clothes and pulled out some damn dirty clothes. Now the school, oh, they dirty. Let's call a case in. Remember, the schools are a motherfucker. I don't trust nobody in the school. I told my daughter, don't tell nobody about nothing with me and my husband. Nothing. I don't trust the school shit. The school is nothing but agents. And they look to build a case. I'm telling you. The schools look to build a case. If you have an issue or the school has an issue, they will call you. They will call you. And they're not, like vicious, like that. But the school, if they have a problem, they will call you. But the problem is, if you don't respond in their time frame, guess what? They start to build a case on you. Like, oh, mom didn't come in. We told her that her son or her daughter, was acting up and she didn't come in. Okay, the next time they call, then they leave another message. Oh, well, mom, we left messages for mom. So they build a paper trail. So now when they call the case in, right, and ACS comes like, oh, this mom been neglected. Wait, first of all, you don't even know. Mom could have been at work. Mom could have been stressed out with the rest of the kids. You don't know. Mom could be homeless. They could be losing her home. They don't know all this shit, right? But let me tell you guys, this only happens in the Black and Latino community. There's not a lot of white kids in foster care. There's not a lot of Chinese kids in foster care. There's not a lot of Indian kids in foster care. Spanish and Black in foster care, guys. Spanish and Black kids in foster care. Okay, so it's a sad thing, guys, that the same people we supposed to trust is the same people plotting against us, the schools. Like I said, ACS don't give a fuck. They don't care, right? Because a lot of the ACS workers in America is Black women and men who they don't give a fuck. They don't care about these kids. Now, don't get it wrong. I was one of those people, one of those social workers that cared about the kids. Like, I would be crying with parents in my office. Like, I would get in trouble from my supervisor because I'd literally be in the office like 2-3 hours with some of my clients crying and hugging them, and for real. Because the shit, I'm telling you, is depressing. It's heartbreaking. Mom's homeless with 8 kids. ACS snatching 4 of her fucking kids. She got 4 and 5 baby fathers. Nobody's fucking around. Yeah, it's her fault, but damn. Do we just keep fucking penalizing her? That's what I'm saying. That's why people commit suicide, end up killing all their kids and committing suicide. It's too much. Right? But America doesn't care about their people, guys. And this is why I always preach. Do for your motherfucking self. Don't worry about no job. No job gives a fuck about you. They will replace your ass when you die. The same second you dying, they're replacing your ass. The same time they firing you, they hiring 2 people for your 1 position. America does not give a fuck about their people. America is not great. America is a shit face. Okay? If they literally are making money on